Megeredchian Law is a top choice for those needing a motorcycle accident lawyer in Riverside, California, thanks to their extensive experience and expertise in handling motorcycle crash cases. Their thorough understanding of the complexities of motorcycle accidents, including issues of fault and insurance, ensures clients receive strong legal support and strive for the best possible compensation. Are you looking for a motorcycle accident lawyer, Riverside, California? You can stop looking. You found Megeredchian Law. How do I prove fault in a motorcycle accident case in Riverside, California? To prove fault in a motorcycle accident case in Riverside, California, you need to show that another party's negligence led to the crash. This typically involves gathering and presenting evidence such as police reports, witness statements, and photographs of the scene, which a lawyer like those at Megeredchian Law can help compile and analyze to establish liability. How much does it cost to hire a motorcycle accident lawyer in Riverside, California? The cost of hiring a motorcycle accident lawyer in Riverside, California, can vary based on the attorney and case details. Many lawyers, such as those at Megeredchian Law, operate on a contingency fee basis, meaning you pay only if you win, with the fee being a percentage of the settlement or judgment. What is the service area of Megeredchian Law? Megeredchian Law serves clients in the following locations: Riverside, Burbank, San Jose, Stockton, Fresno, Glendale, Anaheim, Ontario, San Bernardino, Los Angeles, San Francisco, Sacramento, Bakersfield, San Diego, Stockton, and Fresno. Where is Megeredchian Law located in Riverside, California? We are located at 11801 Pierce Street, Suite 200, Riverside, California 92505. Our phone number is 951-262-8127. Visit our website at www.megeredchianlaw.com/location/Riverside.